Do not sleep on this DeFi coin. What is going on, everyone? This is Yix here at Magna Crypto and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I want to cover one of my favorite DeFi coins, one of my favorite altcoins, and that is Kava. Now I've covered Kava in the past, you can see this video, but I haven't covered it for a while. So I want to do another video just to update people as to what is happening now, what is there that's changed that's most notable. And also I wanted to go over the charts to see what that is saying. Before I get started, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'd very much appreciate that. And also for those that are beginners to crypto, that want to learn the fundamentals and some valuable tools that you need to get started, I've made a very good course, if I may say so, completely free, and the link for that is in the description. Also, I've got a private Telegram group where I add a lot of value, a lot of TA throughout the week to keep people updated as to what's happening in the market, some news updates, market analysis, and all that good stuff. So a link for that is also in the description. Without the way, let's get started. So the thing that I wanted to let everyone know about, first and foremost, Kava is a DeFi coin, very simple project where basically you can use your cryptocurrency as collateral without selling it and borrowing off that crypto, of that collateral. So what happens is you would deposit some crypto, use it as collateral, and then you would mint this token called USDX, and then you can use that token to do whatever you want. And then after the agreed period, you pay it back and you get your crypto back. So the kind of value in this is obviously you don't have to sell your crypto to actually benefit from its appreciation. So it's a very fantastic lending DeFi project. And it's backed by the likes of Binance, by Ripple's investing arm, and a few other companies. Very simple, but very strong project. So that's basically the last time I made a video about this. The only coin that you could use as collateral was Binance Coin. However, as you can see now, it's actually updated and it's locked in a lot of crypto. As you can see, total asset value is 22 million. So it's being used quite a lot. As well as that, you can now deposit XRP. I'll be quite honest with you, I don't know when that announcement came out, but you can see people are starting to put their XRP and use it as collateral. You use Bitcoin and as well as Binance Coin. So that is a massive deal, because obviously there is a massive XRP army that can use this, and they've already started to invest money into this. So those are the coins that are being locked up right now, the total locked assets, and this is how much has been minted. So 10.3 million USDX have been minted, and this is all minted from the collateral, the crypto collateral. So this is, you can see the value in this. It's absolutely fantastic. So this is just a quick update as to the release of XRP and the fact that it's actually being used. Again, one of the things I like to stress is use case. You can have some fantastic project with all the bells and whistles looking all shiny, but if they don't actually get used, then what's the point? It's not going to get anywhere. So you can clearly see the value in this project and the use of it. So let's look at the technical analysis. So let's first look at the crypto ratio. This shows how it's doing in comparison to the altcoin market leader, which is Ethereum. So there's not a lot of price history, not a lot of history to go by, right? So it's only from October 19th, so just over a year. But you can clearly see there's one point right here where if reached, then there's a clear reversal. But also, again, it's you know, these aren't price level support. These aren't like proper support levels as a price, but you can see that there is some support or a reversal over here. So it could be we are reaching that point for a potential reversal, or we could have some more way to go before we reach that point and turn around. If we look at Kava USD to see how it's looking on the USD chart, very simple, right? So we're looking on the weekly time frame, and there's a clear level of support here, or it was resistance and now it's support. So we are expecting it to turn around here. If it does not turn around over here and actually it breaks through, then that's not going to be very good in the short term, because there's not a lot of support apart from this level over here, which acted as support before. So there is a second layer, but apart from that, it's not a lot. So let's move on to the daily time frame. Again, you can clearly see the support level or the resistance, which is now support. And again, right, much clearer on the daily time frame, a nice turnaround here. So it's bounced off this and turned around. Now, obviously, we need it to properly bottom out, because it has been on a down spiral since its peak, August of this year. So we need it to actually bottom properly, so maybe a double bottom and then the break of this long-term trend line. And to be honest, if you look at if this does actually end up being proper support, if it does end up bottoming from this point, the next thing before it actually goes on its next bull run would be the break of this long-term support. And it is lining up very nicely because it has been correcting for quite a while. So it will turn around at some point, and that time is nearing, in my opinion. And once it does break that trend line, I think it will be a rocket straight to the moon. Now, is this going to happen next week or next month? Potentially. No one knows. We can't say for sure. But it's getting closer to this trend line. Even if, let's say, we extend this trend line, let's say to here, and we go all the way down to here until it breaks, then that would be near the end of this year. So it probably won't be too long until it breaks this trend line. But if you do believe in this project, which I do, then this is the time when you start investing, when you start building your base, start entering your trades for this to pop off, because you don't want a lot of people will start investing when it actually shoots off, and that's the wrong time to invest. You want to start averaging in your buys now before it actually goes off. That's not financial advice, but that is the way to do it. So we'll just finish off to look at have a quick look at the market, how Bitcoin is doing after its monster rally until 16k. It has now naturally turned around. What we're looking for now is to hopefully finish above 13.8. That's a very crucial level, and if it can start consolidating those gains, that would be a very positive sign. If not 13.8, then even 12.5 would be fantastic. If we look at the weekly, again, if we can finish above this line of resistance, then that would be amazing. A very bullish sign. If not, just form a nice higher high and a higher low would be fantastic also. But yeah, I mean, we've been surging for a little while now, so it's only natural that we retrace, correct, and consolidate. So positive signs, very bullish in the mid to long term. So that'll be all for this video. Hope you got some value from that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.